Hi, I'm Jolene. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I do a lot of Temu hauls. I do a lot of subscription boxes. And today I have my latest Temu haul. So it's all miscellaneous stuff, but let's get to it. All right. This is the second time I'm filming. The first time I was filming, I realized that the camera actually video wasn't actually going. So I get to do this twice in a row. And that's really fun, you know. The first thing I have is this. I have this dress, and I did get this. I didn't know I was going to like it so much. It's kind of a rayon. I love it. I love the way it feels. I love the fabric. So I went and I had one in my shopping cart last night, and I got like a khaki tan colored one, and it sold out today. So I went in, they had 4 different colors, and all of the colors in my size was sold out. So I have to wait, but I do want to get more because I really like it. I like to wear dresses, and this is very Arizona fabric, whatever. So that's my first thing. The second thing I got was also navy blue, and I haven't worn a lot of navy blue, but I'm kind of liking it, especially with my bronzy look. So this is a shirt, and it's also kind of a light fabric. It's got long sleeves. Thought it'd be cute with jeans. It has a ruffle. I can show a picture of it, but anyway, so this was my second item. Happy with that. And I will be posting links to all these items down below in the description box. I will have links and prices, although prices do change periodically at Temu. Also, a lot of times things will be sold out or are discontinued, so I won't be putting those items up. The third thing I got here, see my wild heart? This is a sleep shirt. It's just a basic sleep shirt. I like these. It's not too long, just comfortable knit to sleep in. So that's the third item. The fourth item is, like, I've got to have a pair of shoes, right? I mean, I have to have a pair of shoes. It's Temu. So this is, they're pink, and they're just kind of like loafers. So I do really like them. They're very comfortable, and I like the gold accent on them. So I will definitely be wearing these coming up. I usually just wear sandals and stuff in the summer when it's so hot. But then in the fall and winter, I like to wear kind of shoes like this. It's me. So the next thing I have here is, well, okay, I got this out already, but this was headphones. I was curious to try them. I just don't have $500 to spend to get a nice pair of Apple. So I was curious about these and the quality of them. And to be honest with you, they feel okay there. I can tell they're a little bit noise blocking. I heard that the noise blocking isn't the best on these, but they're really not bad looking, honestly. I mean, they are cheap. This is plastic, so, you know, you kind of get what you pay for, but I think mine's broken. There's something rattling in here, and I don't know if it's something I opened this up, and I haven't gotten to that yet to figure it out. But anyway, so these are the earphones I wanted to try out. I don't know if I can give a great review on them yet. But actually, they don't look too bad. I mean, if you're okay with having a little bit cheap, then they're maybe not too bad. Okay, the next thing I have is another technology type thing. and it is a 6-port USB. It has the on-off plug here. I use a lot of these, especially with filming, because I like to plug my iPad in and my lights and, you know, everything. So these are always handy to have. So I will use this in my studio somewhere. Okay, the next thing I have is just, it's a cell phone holder. I don't have my cell phone handy to put in there, but it goes, these attach to, let's see, this doesn't look that great, does it? I got the pink, the light pink and the hot pink, but they didn't have the same color. So you just attach that and you stick your phone in there or sunglasses or something, whatever. So that's just, they have all kinds of attachments you can put on these to hook things to. So there's that. Okay, where are we now? I think I'm just down to earrings, which I did a lot last time. I bought a pair of 9 pair of earrings a pack. And honestly, I think they're gonna be too big. And I saw some cuter sets, so I don't know. These are just like white, fluffy. I don't know, maybe I should get them out. I didn't open them all. They all came in a package together with. So here they are. You can see them better. There's the white. I also have black like them. So there's that. They these are kind of rattan looking ones. So these are round rattan with a gold, and then these are also a rattan. These right here. Let's see if I can get these open. I think these are going to be too big on me. So if my sister will wear them, maybe she'll be the one to get them. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, they're cute, but they're big. And I don't like really big. These are also rattan. It's a gold. These have an open circle. And these are the kind of a hoop, rattan hoop right here. And these are, oops, oh, they fell off the thing. So these are just a fan type off-white with gold. And then I got these ones I really wanted. They were really cute, I thought, in the package, but they look big once again. Let's see. So these are just fluffy flamingo earrings. Here we go. Okay, and then I got a pair of black that are going to be too long for me. I don't have much of a neck, unfortunately, and so long earrings just don't go well on me. But there's that. Not very happy with these, to be honest. They were cuter in the picture. They're just big. They're just really big. So there's that. And then I got these individual ones. These are just like rainbow ones. I just thought they were really cute. They look good with a solid color or anyway. So I like them. So that's it. So that's my latest Temu haul. Oh, you know what? I actually got a couple of swimsuits in the other room, but I don't think I'm going to show those. So that's a part of me I don't really like to share. But the quality of them actually seemed really good. I haven't tried them on yet, but the quality seemed there. So I'm kind of excited about them. Yeah, I think I got it all. So that's it for the Temu haul. And thank you for being here. I love your support. I'd love if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things that support my channel, leave a comment. And we will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.